Today we have the Nabla Cosmetic takeover of the Trendmood box. Was it a hit? Was it a miss? Stay till the end and you will find out. Hi, this is Always Sunshine, where we try to bring a little bit of sunshine to your makeup. For you guys that are new, I am Kelsey, and for you guys returning, my sunshine community, thank you for always watching my videos. And like I said, guys, yes, today we have the Nabla Cosmetics takeover of the Trendmood box. This is a little bit different box. It's not like your usual subscription makeup box that you subscribe every month. With them, you have to subscribe, and then they will send you a unique link for when they do have mystery boxes available. You can only purchase them if you have that unique link. So guys, this box was really hard for me to get. Well, not hard, but I really had to beat in the time, but I got it for you and I am a little bit excited about it. The price point was $44 and I did receive 4 products from Nabla. Guys, yes, they do send you, like I said, the unique link, and they do tell you specifically what time and what day the boxes are going to be released. So you have to go right over to their website and actually purchase the box. Once they are sold out, guys, they are sold out. I will be leaving you all the links below of how to actually subscribe to their actual website and steps of how to obtain their next boxes. I know they have done e.l.f. Cosmetics. They have done like usually boxes that they just put a whole bunch of products together, and they do have a lot of takeovers. Most of their boxes do retail $40 and up, but guys, let's see, this is my first box, so we're gonna get right into these babies. So guys, the first product that I was like dying to receive, because I am into brushes lately, they did this little puppy right here. All the products, guys, are from Nabla Cosmetics. It is a takeover. So let me show you. Look what the little nice packaging they sent. And they did send, this is the whole set of brushes, guys. Let's look into these babies. I am very excited to receive brushes because I have been receiving a whole bunch of brushes from my regular cosmetics subscription boxes, but most of them, I will pass. But let me open one of these so I can actually check the actual quality of the brushes. They are a little bit on the lightweight side. I have to tell you that off the bat. But see, this is what one of them looks like, guys. The consistency, to me, the brushes, they're looking like regular brushes. I will have to give them uses to actually give you like a fair, how do you say, review on them. But I did receive 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes, and they're all for your eyes. So I'm guessing I have blenders, concealer brushes, highlighting blush, well, not highlighting, excuse me. Just all type of brushes. I'm saying crease cutters, the fine lighters. So I did receive 8 brushes. Like I said, I will give them a review after I actually use them. The second product that I received, it says Major Pleasure Nabla, and it is a volume extension mascara. This is what it looks like, guys. And in the back it says 100% achieve dramatic volume, 94% saw extended lash length, 97% said that their eyes looked brighter, 91% said that the lashes looked multiplied. So guys, this one says that is 100% major pleasure. I guess that's what they gave it the name. Let's see what this puppy looks. Oh, this is very pretty. And I do have to tell you, the weight on this one, it weighs more than I think all the brushes put together. So the weight is not a bad factor in it. I can see that we received it in the shade of black. These are tiny little bristles. To tell you off the bat, it looks like a regular mascara to me. Like I said, I'm gonna have to give it some use so I can actually tell you guys if I like it or not. But for now, this is what it's called, Major Pleasure, and I did receive it in the shade of black. Next thing I received, and I was very excited about this, was their palette. And guys, everything did come individually wrapped and not individually packaged, but individually wrapped. So this was very nice. You know, guys, I really like the hygiene on all the products, and Trendmood up to bar. Okay, this one, and this one, guys, is the side-by-side nude palette. This is what it looks like. Now let's take it out the packaging. It looks like. I'm gonna open it. Ooh, These shades look very, very pretty, guys. As you can see, most of the colors, like most of the subscriptions that are coming now, are being more fall colors. So more smoky eyes, transition type of colors. And this palette actually fits the descriptions of all the palettes. Now, let's see if this consistency will be better than other palettes that we received. So the first color, because I am a glitter girl, I do want to swatch, is the Body and Soul, which is this one right here. Another thing, guys, it does come with a mirror. You guys know I love me some mirrors. I am gonna swatch the, oh, excuse me, guys. It is the Body and Soul, which will be this color right here. Give it a little swatch so I can show you guys what this baby is looking like. This baby's looking real nice right now because I do love me some glitter in my eyes. I do want to swatch another color right here, and it's going to be the Better Society, which will be this color right here. Let me clean myself a little bit with my swatches here. So I am so excited for this palette, guys, because it does have some shimmer colors. It does have some matte colors. It does also have, like I told you, some smoky eye colors. And I think that that will be the last color that I am going to shade for you guys. And let me see. It probably is going to be the Beauty Mark. Beauty Mark, which will be this nude color right here. I love me some nudes just to see what it's going to look like in my actual skin. Ooh, and that baby looks really, really darker. The consistency up to now, I am really, really working it, guys, because I swatched it and I was just gonna say, ooh, I'm not liking this consistency, but the way this baby panned out was beautiful. And this is the side-by-side Nabla palette. Now we're gonna go, guys, into the palette that this was the reason why I actually bought this, and this is the Nabla Ruby Lights. Guys, yes, these are 4 shades of just pure glitter. I'm in heaven. I hope it looks like I seen it when I actually purchased it. Yes, guys, look at it, so pretty. And we did receive 4 shades. Like I said, they are all glitter. This is the Ruby Light palette. Now, let's go into now the actual colors. This will be Virgo, this will be Ruby, this will be Whisper, and this one will be Capricorn. As you guys see, these names are going like if it was the zodiac sign, but let's try out, which is one of my favorite colors. We're going to try out the Ruby, which is this color right here. Oh, guys, the consistency in this is crazy. Do you guys see that glitter? This is what you pay for, guys. This is what you pay for to me in this whole box. I do want to swatch now the Capricorn right here because these are going to be mostly my 2 go-to colors. So let's swatch this right here. And guys, let me tell you, as soon as you swatch it, you can actually feel the glitter. You can feel it coming. It's sticking perfectly to my arm. So I hope it does the same thing when I actually put it in my eyes. I am so excited for this little palette, which is the highlighter palette. Guys, this whole box I am for right now ecstatic with. I am dying to use it. These are the products that I received in my, it's not a monthly, it's my Nabla takeover. So guys, let's do a recap of the products that we received. We did receive their black mascara. It is the Major Pleasure Mascara. We also did receive 8 brushes, 8 eye brush set. We also received the side-by-side Night Nubile palette. And last but not least, we also received their mini glitter ruby palette. These are the 4 products that I received in the Nabla takeover of the Trendmood box. Guys, so those were the products that I received for the Nabla takeover of the Trendmood box. What do you guys think? Did you guys like them? Did you not like them? I am ecstatic with this box. I haven't used it on my face, but the consistency in my hands and in my skin, I am loving it. Out of all the products, guys, you know this was my pick. This was my pick right here because I know I am going to have fun with all these glitters. You guys are going to be seeing me all glitter out. Also, guys, please don't forget, you can follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. Always sunshine, a little bit of love over there, a little bit of love over here. We also do have our monthly giveaway going on, our November giveaway. You guys do have a couple of days to actually go and subscribe. This is the link right here. So if you guys haven't, please rush right over. Guys, I also want to thank you so much. I've seen that our channel, little by little, it is growing. I just want to say that I am so appreciative of you guys. You guys will see that in our giveaway coming up from December. It is going to be totally amazing. But thank you from the bottom of my heart. It is very appreciated when you guys like, share, and subscribe. Please not forget to do that. That is very important. Also, the notification button, guys, remember you need that one for when we have monthly giveaways that we do. You guys are up to up to level, not level, how do you say it? You guys are just going to be You guys will be up to date with everything coming on in the channel. So, see you next time. This is Kelsey. Good luck to everybody in the giveaway and check out these 2 videos.